What if life on Earth exists not despite entropy, but because of it? What if the reason forests grow, civilizations emerge, and in this flow complexity grows until consciousness itself appears? Is not because Earth resists the laws of physics, but because it follows them perfectly? And what if flourishing systems all share one hidden property? They do not trap energy. They process it, they transform it, and they release it back into the universe. This may sound abstract at first, but it could explain something fundamental about life itself. The second law of thermodynamics tells us something unsettling. Over time, systems tend toward entropy, toward disorder. Energy spreads out, structures decay, stars burn out, and heat itself finally dissipates. Left alone, organized systems eventually collapse. A house decays, a body ages, civilizations fall apart. Everything seems to move toward equilibrium, and yet life exists. Forests grow, cells organize themselves, the human brain develops consciousness. Entire ecosystems become more complex over time. At first glance, this appears to contradict entropy, but it doesn't, because Earth is not a closed system. Every second, Earth receives enormous amounts of energy from the sun, high quality, concentrated energy. But here is the important part. Earth does not simply store this energy, it transforms it. The atmosphere circulates it, plants convert sunlight into chemistry, oceans redistribute heat. Weather systems move energy across the planet. Life itself becomes part of this flow. And eventually, Earth radiates energy back into space. This matters deeply, because without release, there is no stable flow. And without flow, complex systems collapse. This is the central idea. Local order can emerge in systems that allow energy to move through them. Not static systems, not isolated systems, flowing systems. A river remains alive because water moves. An ecosystem survives because nutrients circulate. A living body survives because energy flows continuously. Even consciousness may depend on dynamic energetic organization. Order is not the absence of entropy. Order may actually emerge through entropy production. This is one of the most fascinating ideas in modern physics. Life may exist because Earth efficiently processes energy gradients. In other words, life blooms where energy flows. Maybe flourishing systems share a universal pattern. They absorb energy, they organize temporarily, and then they release energy outward again. Stars do this, plants do this. From the vast systems of human civilization, even your body does this every second. Perhaps health, life, intelligence, and flourishing are not about hoarding energy, but about maintaining healthy transformation and release. A stagnant system always decays. A flowing system adapts. This may apply biologically, psychologically, ecologically, even socially. Systems become dangerous when flow stops, when information stops moving, when energy accumulates without transformation, when rigidity replaces adaptation. Nature itself seems to prefer circulation. From space, Earth appears almost impossible, a thin layer of organized complexity floating in cosmic darkness. Forests, cloud systems, oceans, cities, conscious beings asking questions about the universe, and all of it depends on continuous energetic exchange. Earth constantly receives energy from the sun and radiates energy back into the universe. This dynamic imbalance may be exactly what allows life to emerge. Not equilibrium, not stillness, but continuous transformation. Perhaps flourishing worlds are not those that accumulate the most energy, but those that can process energy most effectively. Maybe life is not a rebellion against the universe. Maybe life is one of the ways the universe evolves, a temporary flowering of order within the larger flow of entropy, not separate from physics, but born directly from it. And perhaps the future of humanity depends on understanding this simple principle. Healthy systems do not merely consume. They transform, they circulate, they radiate, they flow. This may be the Bloom effect. The Bloom effect. Order survives through flow.